Imagine a world where five tech giants, Alphabet, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Oracle, are quietly building an infrastructure so massive it dwarfs their official financial statements. These companies are pouring billions into data centers brimming with GPUs and custom silicon, enough to challenge even regional power grids. But here's the twist. Much of this spending is hidden. A recent investigation by Nikkei Asia reveals a startling fact. These five tech titans have accumulated $1.65 trillion in debt that isn't immediately visible on their balance sheets. This hidden debt surpasses the combined official liabilities listed, which total $125 trillion. This discrepancy arises from sophisticated financial maneuvers like structured financing, where special purpose vehicles and joint ventures obscure liabilities. Moody's ratings has flagged companies like Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft for significantly expanding their AI-related debts. When a ratings agency uses terms such as massively expanding, it signals serious concern to bondholders and equity investors alike. The core risk here is that while AI revenues are growing, they must outpace the debt servicing costs of these rapidly depreciating data centers. Adding another layer of complexity, MoneyWise reports concerns from the IMF about AI-related leverage exceeding typical bubble risk indicators. A staggering $59 billion in corporate bonds issued by these hyperscalers compounds their financial obligations beyond what's visible on balance sheets. For those relying on cloud GPU pricing from these companies, this hidden debt structure translates into risk. As growth slows and servicing costs rise, the burden could shift to pricing or availability of services. This is particularly concerning for indie developers already grappling with VRAM scarcity, making reliance on cloud resources more precarious. The takeaway here isn't that disaster looms, but rather a call to scrutinize the financial underpinnings beneath the hype. As these numbers become increasingly obscured, it's crucial to look closer, ensuring we understand the true scale of what's at stake in this AI-driven future. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more.